In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay using Stripe, whether it's for an invoice someone sent you or completing a purchase online. Stripe is a powerful and popular payment processor that a lot of sellers use. What's great is that as a customer, you don't need to have a Stripe account to make a payment. It's all very user-friendly and secure, and I'm going to guide you through the entire process. Let's start by discussing how you can easily pay someone as a customer. When a seller wants to receive payment through Stripe, they'll send you a payment link or an invoice link. This link is your gateway to a secure, Stripe-hosted payment page. Once you're on that page, you simply need to enter your payment method. This could be a credit or debit card, a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, or even a bank transfer if that's what's been set up by the seller. The payment page will guide you through this process, and you can rest assured that it's secure. Once you've entered your payment details and completed the payment, a receipt or a confirmation message will be sent to you. This confirmation means your payment has successfully gone through. For instance, imagine someone has sent you an invoice via Stripe. All you need to do is click the Pay Invoice button in the email or link you received, follow a few simple prompts, and you're done. There's no setup required on your part. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the invoice scenario and really understand the payment flow. Typically, here's how it works. The person or business you're paying has created a digital invoice using Stripe invoicing. They'll send this to you via email or a direct link. This service is very useful because it neatly organizes the transactions and makes it easier for both parties, a major plus for quick and efficient business dealings. Once you receive the email or link, you'll notice a Pay Now button. By clicking this, Stripe will take you to their hosted checkout page. It's here that you'll select your preferred payment method. This could be a card, a digital wallet, a bank transfer, or even a Buy Now, Pay Later option if that's available and enabled. This flexibility ensures that you can use the payment method that's most convenient for you. After you make the payment, the sender will instantly be notified, and Stripe will process the transaction. It's all done seamlessly, ensuring that the payment reaches the seller quickly and without any hassle. And there you have it, a straightforward and secure way to complete a payment using Stripe. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more approachable for you. Remember, whether you're paying an invoice or making a purchase, Stripe makes it easy and efficient. Happy spending!